So after a whole day session with quite a noisy group, both of you are so young, yet you were so patient and very encouraging. Not once did you say, you're not quite right, or your answer was not quite right. All the time, doesn't matter what we said, you kept encouraging us. Awesome, great idea, excellent. So, and you had so much patience. So that itself is an indication of the great, this growth mindset that you were talking about. So I'm going to take that away with me. Have more patience.
आइडिया चाहिँ एकदम ग्रेट आजको होल सेसन एकदमै टफ मलाई एकदम छोएको छ र रमाइलो पनि भएको छ र यो जुन वर्कसपमा सिकाएका कुरालाई जति पनि आज हामीले मनन गरेका छौँ मैले जति रिसिभ गरेका छौँ त्यो कुरालाई मैले क्लासमा इम्प्लिमेन्ट गर्न सके मात्र आजको वर्कसपको उद्देश्य पूरा हुन्छ।
Am I trying to overcome, or am I trying to come out of the cases of fixed mindset? Because I find sometimes myself with fixed mindset in several issues while delivering the lessons in the classroom. So I will always try to question myself whether I'm trying my best to overcome the fixed mindset, and I will be trying to transform myself from fixed mindset to growth mindset.
I'll try not to be too eager to answer my own questions. Till now, maybe I've been just stopping for a second and then answering my own question. But I'm going to apply that rule of thumb and wait for 8 seconds and even more. So I've got to remind myself that.
म्यामले लास्टमा कस्तो घुमाएर एकदमै मनमै पर्ने गरेर एउटा भनेर गइदिनु भयो। एक्चुअली वी आर लर्नर्स। हामी मैले फर्स्टमा डिस्क्लेमर भनेको थिएँ, हामी वी आर नट हियर कमिङ एज अ ट्रेनर। हामी ट्रेनर माइन्डसेटले आएकै हामी वी आर कमिङ हियर एज अ लर्नर हु आर ट्राइङ टु सेयर, एन्ड आवर ओन्ली अब्जेक्टिभ हियर टुडे वाज टु प्रोभोक यु टु क्वेसन योर सेल्फ।